Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today's video will be a Planner Society unboxing. This is the February kit. Let's start with the papers that came in the kit. So there are more than 3 papers. There are 6 papers in this kit. This one with this beautiful yellow floral on the back and the pink flowers on the front. This one, which is like a really pretty blush pink, and then this sort of craftsman floral pattern. And there is this pretty kind of marigold yellow. And the back of it is again another kind of Thomas More craftsman print. And then there's the other side of this one again, that pretty yellow. There were 3 specialty papers in this kit. There is this piece of acetate. There is this other piece of acetate. And then there's this beautiful piece of vellum. Alright, this month in the kit we also got the pen case again. The last time she did these was in June of 2017, so last year. Here is the pen for this month. And that's just really nice. Let's see here. That is, I think that's a ballpoint. It looks like a ballpoint. There's the pen. She did a stamp this month. This is pretty girl. Sorry about that. Reflection. Put her over there. No, put her over there. She's gonna catch the light over there. Alright. And then here is the washi tape for this month. And it's this beautiful floral. Very pretty. We also got sticky notes for this month. We got these laser cut pockets. Now this is only the second time she's ever done these. The first time was in, I believe, November of 2017. Sorry about that. I need to learn to put my phone on silence when I do these videos. And then this pocket is kind of full right there. So those are very pretty. Here are the tabs and all of the beautiful prints. And then here are the stickers that go with them. And this isn't the first time she's done a different color than black or gold or silver. I think this is the second time she's done this pretty pink color for the stickers that go with the tabs. Here are the planner decorations, the palms again, on the hair clips. And you can also, you know guys, I wear these in my hair sometimes because they're very, very cute. And they've got these little kind of crystal beads on them. But the colors are very pretty and they're very, I don't know, very versatile. I think the first time I ever did an unboxing video for these kits was April of last year, and she used this mustard quite a bit. And I think this is like the most universal color in the world. It really kind of goes with a lot. You can agree to disagree with me on that if you want, because I know a lot of people are kind of like can't stand mustard, but I think it's one of the most beautiful colors out there. Then we got these wood stickers. They say Planner Girl and Hello and Cutes and stuff. And mine, this one in shipping came off that its spot right here, and it's kind of stuck onto those 2 other ones. But I just need to take like my hair dryer to it and warm it up, and then I'm sure it'll come right off of there. So I'm not too worried about that. goes there. Okay, so the die cuts in this kit were very, very interesting. They're really good quality. They're pretty. They're thicker than they've been in the past. So and they're beautiful. Like all the colors and the patterns, the prints are just really, really beautiful. Like this one, this little tea tray with all this stuff on it. It's very pretty. And then this ladder that she's got like all these flowers drying in bundles. And then the girls that came in this kit, they got different skin tones, which is really pretty. I appreciate that. I know a lot of people do. And then some more flowers in a chair and a hat. And then here are the journaling cards, if you will. This one says, do all things with kindness. This one says, just start. This one's find beauty in the little things. And this is kind of like a platinum foiling. It's not silver or chrome in the effect that it's really reflective, but it is silverish in color. So don't forget to be awesome. Today was a good day. And Planner Girl. And again, I'm not having a good time with the light over there on that side, unfortunately. And so let's do this. Let's put those on there. Okay. And then also in this kit, like I said, the die cuts were really interesting this time. We got these, they're almost like bookmarks. And they're really, really sturdy. So there's this one with all these teacups. There is this one with the books. And then some more teacups. And then some bows. And then they do repeat in the larger size, obviously. And I had missed, like when she was doing the reveals through the month, I'd kind of missed what she said she saw us doing with these. I could go back on Instagram and Facebook and figure that out really pretty easily. But yeah, I don't know, they're really cool. I like them. If they became like a more frequent addition to the kits, I would really dig it because I'm using them as for bookmarks. Okay, and so here's the deco stickers that came with this kit. Let's do this. Let's see if we can get that to focus first. There it goes. So it's kind of got this tea time theme. And again, the girl with different skin tones. And some vases and some trackers. Which is pretty. Pretty. Definitely not. You know, I gotta say, with all of her kits, it's not, I don't know, month themed, I guess you could say. Because, like, this is February, but it's not Valentine's. So, that's really nice. And then these are the bags that everything came in. There's this pretty bag. And then this is the bag the stickers came in. And then here are some of the backer cards. And these are enormous. So, anyway, what I plan to do with these is use them to set up this passport-sized TN that I've got. And I got this on a buy-sell trade. And right now it's just got an insert that I made in there. And then it's got one of those little Target things with the washi card in there. But yeah, I don't know. I think it's a Foxy Fix. Oh yeah, it is. It's a Foxy Fix. That's cool. And but it's buffalo leather, so it's really, you can see it's really hard. And I'd originally gotten it for my husband, and then during the course of the year last year, he'd said, you know, not really interested in And I can't remember if I was dropping hints that, you know, what would he like for Christmas or what, and he just came out with that, like, I'm not interested. So I was like, okay, well, what am I going to do with that? And instead of trying to buy, sell, trade it off onto somebody else, I just held on to it. And now I'm happy I did because I think it'll go really, really well. The colors are just really pretty. It's really deep and, like I said, it's really heavy duty, so it's good for travel, I'm sure. So yeah, that'll be what I use. I'm going to set this kit up in. And then I've got these from Archie McPhee, which is like a novelty store in Seattle. I picked up these random little notebooks, and they're really funny. They're just really funny. So this one says strange ideas, and it's got a little thing of random strange ideas, like potential DJ names a cat might use. That is, it's random. And then this one, it's got this girl, she's wearing a squirrel mask. It says strange thoughts. And then it says like a list of pizza toppings best describing your inner landscape. And that get you thinking. And then this last one, it says strange ambitions. And they're just, like I said, they're just little lined notebooks. They're not, I think they're pocket sized or micro sized, I'm not sure. But so in this one, it's got like strange ambitions, a story that includes only characters named after the dogs in your neighborhood. So I don't know. I thought they'd be cute, and they'd kind of, they don't go with the kit obviously because they're random and out there. But yeah, they'll fit in my book, and the colors are kind of down that right avenue with the pink and the blue and the turquoise. And yeah, maybe I can just do some creative patchwork on the covers if I wanted to. But anyway, so this has been this is the February Planner Society kit. If you stayed through the whole video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and leave comments, questions below. Like this video if you enjoyed what you saw, and subscribe to my channel so that you know when I post another video. All right, you guys, good night.